Hey guys, it's Nate with the Can Roof Construction. I just wanted to give you another update about our three-story porch. So 3 years ago, one of our first videos that I shared, it was three-story porch building in Allston, Massachusetts. And that video today brings us another customers. We're in Boston. We're gonna replace all this three-story porch. And I'm gonna share all the steps, what we are doing, which right now the guys started demolition, probably here or here. I don't know where you guys gonna see what's happening over there.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back, flip out the whole scene. Okay. All you suckers just to wanna be me. So get smacked. You looking whack. I got the big stacks. I'm pushing stacks. New outfit. You wish you had it on. Only tricks on the wrist. Gotta keep it on. Okay. What you got? I got it going on. Okay. What you got? I got it going on. Okay. What you got? I got it going on. Okay. What you got? I got it. Okay.
I got shell toes with the foul laces.
Okay.
6th grade, yeah, I had the pink braces.
Okay.
Ask your mama, she know I got the swag.
Okay.
Call me dad, cause I'm always in my bag. So much drip, I'm slipping, someone please.